My name is Name. Doing another Power Rangers video. Which I'm going to be doing a video on the Super Samurai stuff. So we got two discs, the buckle thing that holds the discs, and the black box, which they use to go in the Super Samurai mode. So I guess we'll take a look at the black box first. It does have sounds. So let's just turn it on. I don't know if you could hear that. The switch is right here to turn it on. And then press the button, you get a few different noises. Or just two different noises. And it doesn't matter if you have a disc in, it does the same noises. I can actually get it in there. See, same noises. Then with this one, here's the discs. Turn this off. So here's the disc that they use to summon the Super Samurai combination. I think this is the disc they use to go into the Super Samurai mode. And then here's the buckle thing. Let's see if I can put it on me. Dang it. Ah. Okay, so I got it on here. It can hold two discs and no more. So I guess that's about it for this video. Thank you guys all very much for watching. We'll see you. Bye.